Bernino live at the Photo Booth Expo 2022. We've got a whole bunch of crazy technology here, and I'm in the booth right now for live print mosaics, sketchbot, and 360 drone booth. This is crazy. And Al's going to make sense of all this because right now my head hurts. Hi, Al.
Hello, yeah. I'm here for picture mosaics, and yeah, we have three fun activations. We've always been doing the live print mosaics, but we introduced the live sketchbots and the drone booth today. It's autonomous. It takes off and lands, and then it's 2 spins or 3 spins. Completely safe. It's all AI, and then it'll simply land when it's done. You get your real footage. You can set the height, how many spins, how far, all that good stuff. And then the sketchbots over here will sketch you in 50 seconds or less. So that's been a part of the fun to see yourself sketch really fast and get your photo. And then of course the live mosaics, we've been doing that for the last 20 years. That's our mainstay.
I could see this being a great up, especially those. The sketch as a great upgrade for Mitch.
Oh, that's great. We've been doing it. We'll talk to that.
And this is just crazy. I mean, you know, what kind of camera do you have in that?
4K, 60 frames per second.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so it's great for photo booths.
All right, Al, how can people get in contact with you?
Yeah, picturemosaics.com is our main website, so they can reach me there, the contact page, and then yeah, if they're interested in the drone booth or the sketchbots or the mosaic software, we're your place to go.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks. It's Mike. Can we get some live sketching done?
You know what? I'm dying to see it.
All right. We'll sketch you.
Oh no, we'll break the machine. Dee, come here. She's much prettier than me.
How's the honeymoon? You want to get your photo? You get sketched there?
Me?
Yeah. All right, we're gonna do a live demo on the fly.
I don't think I would.
This is great. I'm telling you, this is just.
This is pretty cool.
All right, so iPad takes the photo. Add a little bit of text. All right, now he's probably gonna send this command to the.
So yeah, 30 to 50 seconds. We'll try to do as quick as we can. Look out some of the main features.
No way. No way. Oh my gosh. This brings doodling to a whole different level.
You require a sketch? You want to start a sketchbot?
What does it do?
A sketchbot sketches you in 50 seconds or less.
Really?
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, right here.
There it is.